All right, let's get going. Middle of the week, Wednesday. Forget about the date. The date doesn't matter. What we do know is a couple drivers that kind of jumped in the car. We know what the drivers have been, U.S.-China trade war, FOMC, and things like that. But a new driver jumped in, and it's Brexit. That's been around for 3 years. British people voted to leave the European Union June of 2016. Here we are in August of 2019. They haven't left. Apparently, the Queen of England said, we're gonna approve this suspension of Parliament like Boris Johnson asked, which gives Brexit a chance. And it seems like the market wants to see this done and over with. And we rallied. But right before that, there was a Trump tweet in here. I didn't get it because I had a setting off, and this is my fault. I didn't see it, hear it, and it was knee-jerk bearish the way he said it, I think. Whatever, the market sold it off. And I sold it without hearing it because I thought it was a real negative China, right? And I didn't sell it awful, but I was on dead lows pretty much. Got out for not a bad loser, but stuck me because I sold it thinking it was something bad. And I'm fine doing that because I know if it doesn't go right away, get the hell out. And it didn't go right away, so I got the hell out. The problem is, had I got the tweet and understood it, it just got priced real cheap. That's all. And so that tweet in and of itself this morning didn't say the Queen was going to suspend Parliament. It was later on, but we repriced. If you look at stocks, when I say reprice, it's a pretty dramatic trend one way or the other, and this time it was to the upside. We had really, really strong support. In fact, I'll show it. This chart's sloppy because I'm working with it, but there was a ton of support on a daily all in here, from here to here, and this is a wide area, but it wasn't going to be easy to get through there. We talked about that in the pre-market. Sure enough, that's where they went, but they went and got cheaped on some dumb news that comes out. Now, that's not what the highlight that I'm trying to show you. The highlight is patterns that are similar in correlated markets. All right, and we had this come in the NASDAQ here in the center. See all these swing highs? That correlates with all these swing highs in the ES. Two different markets, both of them stock indexes, so they influence each other, having similar, quote, breakout type patterns. So to see a move up quickly through here, especially when they shook off this dumb news over there, isn't a surprise. So number one, you get stuck on these lows, don't still be short, still be short, still be short. That's idiotic. That's not trading. You get in, didn't work, get the hell out. And don't, it's not sour grapes, cry over spilled milk. Find a way to get it back, right? So anyways, when you get two markets that have similar patterns, and not only do they have a bunch of swing highs back in here, like they have swing highs back in here, but if you take it down into there, you could see very similar consolidation boxes in both as well. So it's not a surprise that if we just go bar by bar, you get this, look right in here, this big pop, and then same time, that pop right here on the left. All right, happened together. The Russell, another market we like, led the way. So it's correlations and how important they are. If we drill down with a microscope, this is what the footprint and those candlesticks or those bar charts showed, only deeper into it. This was the top of some of those swing highs all up in here, okay? Don't worry about all the numbers in the chart. If you don't know what they are, no big deal. All you have to know in any chart you watch is the rotation value of it, how it's moving. That's how price moves. And the whole point is there's maybe buy stops above that area. So when we get going, what do you look for to take advantage of? Hey, you know what? I think shorts are stuck and this thing's going to rally a lot through 58, 59 even. And the NASDAQ looks the same and the Russell looks the same. I look for sellers that say holy SHIT because they can't get it to go down. Sellers are right there. They push it lower, it creeps above them, second time through them. I think it's gone. I don't know it's gone. I think it's gone. And it's always a probability game. You're wrong if it gets below where you think it should slip up, right? You always put and have an better than idea of where you're wrong in your probability. But take a look at this. Once it gets above it, it's gone. Two reasons. Selling couldn't keep it lower when it's in here. Secondly, all these buy stops that were sitting above all these swing highs in not just one market, but two markets. that correlate. Market relationships have to be part of any strategy you implement, build, and execute. If it's not, then go to a car dealership to negotiate price with a market profile or Fibonacci chart and see how well you do.